Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 Ford Mustang EcoBoost Premium. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, keyless entry, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch machined aluminum wheels, performance tires, speed-sensitive wipers, fully automatic headlamps with delay off, fog lights, and a strong manual 4-cylinder with only 26,567 miles. The spoiler, large LED brake lights, the dual exhaust, key fob trunk release, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat. The front row power heated and cooled leather bucket seating. Cruise, dual zone auto climate, a garage door opener, a push button start, a locking glove box, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.